This is definitely not what I think it will be. Okay, those 4 pieces of metal should change my life. This is actually automatic trunk openers, so let's see how this works. Ready. COVID update. I'm still positive, so I think 2 or 3 more days in isolation, but my health is in perfect condition, so let's go install these boot springs. Okay, 4 simple pieces, and let's go. Ooh, just look at that beauty. I love this car. Okay, this will be changed. Okay, first I need to remove security pins from gas strut. Do the same thing on the other side. And then remove gas strands. Trust me, this is so heavy. I need to lock in place my strand so I can remove this head. This takes me a lot of time, but I did it at the end. Now let's install springs and put the head back. Okay, it's time for install. It's easy, just click and that's it. Do the same thing on the other side. And let's try it to see if this thing is working. As you can see, it's shit. At the end, this is just junk. Cheap junk from eBay. I probably will get the emerald strands. They are around $80–90 for 2 pieces set, but right now this is too expensive for me. So Emerald, contact me and send me free those strands. Definitely I will change them, and these things costed around $20, $25, something like that. And it doesn't work. Those holes are too big, and actually it's not fitting Volkswagen Scirocco, and it made a lot of noise, bad noise, because this is not fixed. It can move on those rails. At the end, this is not something what you should buy. Get emerald one, and that's it. Okay, that's it for this video. Subscribe on my channel, click on this bell so you will always get notification when I upload something new. Like this video, support my work, and I promise you, you will get a lot of great content. Till then, see you.